Well, these are the nails. There's some good lighting out here, so I decided to come out. A couple of these nails have bubbles, like especially the thumb, and that's because I have deep ridges in my nails there, so that's to be expected. Other than that, this is probably one of the better nail kits that I've used, fake nails. Because the bubbling, there really isn't much at all. Just the thumbs where I have, like I said, those ridges. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this to anyone, especially during the pandemic right now. This is a great thing to do instead of going to the salon, which a lot of them are not open. So another benefit to these is I didn't even have to file them down. They're just really smooth on the tips, so I really didn't need to file them down, which is nice. By the way, guys, I'm recording this. This is like day 4 now, and they're still on there pretty good. I would highly recommend these. Another thing that I really like about these is that the top part here is really hard, bottom part is flexible. So it's not hurting your nails. Some nails, they're too tight and they kind of like put pressure on your nails and it kind of hurts. These ones don't hurt at all. They're very comfortable, so 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching, guys.